Okay, folks, today I've got some of these handy little like coat hangers or hangers, 3M Command brand. They're damage free. They're medium utility hooks. And this is what they look like. You pretty much get them open. Got this. What the directions are saying is you just rip off one side, clean them all, put it on there, then wait 30 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got our wall here. We're just gonna give it a little bit of water and dry it off. Okay, so we got this, and the directions say pull off the red liner. So we're just gonna, we got the black side and the red side. Okay.
You're going to want to rotate it 180 degrees. I installed it backwards, so that's pretty critical. So make sure you flip her around right there.
Voila. Now to the wall. And you're going to rip off the other side and figure out where exactly you want it on your wall. Voila. And then get it in there. And you pull that, push out. Oh, there we go. Pull up and pull that. Oh, that's when we want to remove it. Oh, what's this? Oops. Let's see. That's the hanger. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.